how to record calls on your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and then scroll down to the bottom and tap on the apps option you see there. Scroll down again and navigate to the phone option and tap on it. Now, in this particular interface, scroll down and you will see the option for call recording. So tap on the audio call recording option you see there and make sure the toggle button for audio call recording is toggled on. This will allow you to use the phone app to record a conversation during the call and then further save it to the Notes app. So once you have enabled this particular toggle button, go back and receive any call of your choice. Once received, tap on the three dots on the bottom left of your screen and you will see the option for call recording. Tap on it in order to enable call recording for that particular call. With this, call recording will begin and your call will be recorded. You can then tap on the recording button you see there in order to stop the call recording anytime you want. As soon as you stop the call recording will be saved to the Notes app. So you can then go ahead and open the Notes application on your device and you will be able to view your recorded call. You can then tap on the play button in order to play your recorded call. So this was about how you can record calls on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.